Okay everyone, this is the question of GATE 1999. Okay, so we are solving this question in that the consider the following C function definition. The functional trial, what it will do, there are some other options like maximum of ABC, minimum of ABC, middle of the all three numbers, or none of above. We will see, and I have already told you that while such question comes, you have to first assume the value. I have taken three numbers A, B and C and I have assumed their values. And in this, I have taken the value as 4, 5 and 6. Anybody is going to call these functions and these values are 4, 5 and 6. Now please tell me, is A greater than B? False. Is A greater than B? False. Else part will run. So return BAC. BAC means 5, 4 and 6. So the new values will be like this. So it will call like this. It will again call this particular function and again they will say, is A greater than B? Yes, A is greater than B. Is C less than B? No, C is not less than B. This part will not run. It will go to the next part. Is A greater than B? Yes, A greater than B. 5 greater than 4. Return ACB. What is ACB? A right now is 5, 5, 6, 4. Now these values will go over there and again we are saying, is A greater than B? No. Is C less than B? If A greater than B? If A is greater than B? No. Otherwise, BAC, again it is calling. What is BAC? 6, 5, 4. Right? So now with these values we have to map. Is A greater than B? Yes. 6 greater than 5. Is C less than B? Yes. 4 less than 5. So B will be the answer. The answer is 5. Now with our first assumption, the maximum of ABC, the ABC was 4, 5 and 6. Wrong. Minimum of ABC, 4, 5 and 6. Wrong. Find middle number of A, B and C. Middle number is 5. So our first assumption looks like it is okay. So now these two portions we can cut out and we have to take some more example so that we can find the exact solution. So the value of A, B and C I am taking bit different this time. I am taking 4, 6, 5. They are not in ascending order as per the earlier. So the value of A, B and C are 4, 5 and 6. Now please tell me, is A greater than B? False. Second statement, 4 greater than 6, false. Third part will run. So this part will be continuing, which will say BAC. What is B? 4, A 4, B6, A4 and C is 5. So the new values are this one. Again we will check, is A greater than B? Yes. Is C less than B? Is 5 less than 4? Wrong. Next part will run, A greater than B. There it will change the values with A, C and B. So what is A? 6. What is C? 5. What is B? So the values are 6, 5 and 4. Okay. Now this time again it will check, is A greater than B? 6 greater than 5? Yes. Is C less than B? Is 4 less than 5? Yes. So it will return B. What is B? It is returning 5. Okay. But the values you have input was 4, 6 and 5. Is 5 the middle number out of these numbers? No. We are asking middle number. So earlier we have crossed these options. So middle number option is also incorrect. So the answer is D. Middle number is somewhere just like if we have entered A, B and C. Who is middle out of these three numbers? B is the middle out of these three numbers. So I am giving you one more example which will help you out. Now I will take the value of A, B and C as 5, 5, 5. Now you check out, is A greater than B? Greater than or equal to B? Greater than or equal to B. Okay. Is C less than B? No. Greater than or equal to B? Okay. Return A, C, B. A, C, B. Again it will go. Again check, A greater than or equal to B. Okay. C less than B? No. Again this is true. Again same manner. A, C, B. A is 5, C is 5 and B is 5. So this will become infinite. Again the no middle number is coming. Okay, so D is the answer of this question. Clear everyone?